Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a very nice tool at the Huawei P20. So you can have two smartphones in one phone. So this is a very nice tool, and also if you need maybe a private space, then you can have completely your stuff only at that place and not on the main phone. Okay, so the main screen and so on. As you can see here, I have many apps and I have as well also many pictures. You can compare it later to the private space. Okay, how to go to that private space? So first of all, we need to go to the settings. I have my settings here on the front screen. Maybe have it somewhere else. Otherwise, you could go also like this. And now we have to go to the point security and privacy. And here is the private space point. Let us enter it. And there are two ways to enter the private mode. First way is to use the fingerprint sensor in combination with the PIN code. Or otherwise you could use also the pattern stuff and so on. I prefer the fingerprint sensor. It's more easy. So go on enable. I have enabled already fingerprint for the main screen. If you don't have a fingerprint or PIN for the main screen, then he asks you first to enter here the PIN. So as I told you, I have already a PIN, as you, and now he's asking me to set up a PIN for the private space. Okay, let's use a simple code. Okay, you have to do it twice, not that is really sure. So now he's loading the second smartphone. So, and now you can add a second fingerprint. Okay, I will use, that you can see better, my little finger here. Move it always a bit, that your complete finger is register it. Okay. So, and now we have two phones in one. So not to call, but the other stuff for the internet and so on. Okay, let us see now how it works. So let us enter the main one. I've showed you already. You see that it's still there. And it takes a bit longer than normal because now I have two phones on it. And now let us enter the private one. And here's the private one. And as you can see, everything is new. I don't have my previous apps and I have no pictures here. I have no pictures on my phone. I have no contacts on this part. Every contact I set up here at this place, it's completely hidden to the main. Yeah, pretty cool. What do you think? And as well, you can unlock it also with the fingerprint. I've used my thumb for the main one and the little finger here for the private one. And as you can see, it works. Okay, and how to remove that private space again in case you don't need it anymore. Then you go to the settings, maybe in the private space, in the settings. Then you go to security and privacy. And then you go here on private space. And in the private space area, you have also the opportunity here to transfer pictures. Maybe if you took some pictures you want to keep at your main space, then you are able here to transfer pictures. The same way also from main space to private space. Works also with music and audio and so on. And yeah, you can also select some pictures and so on and so on. And yeah, if you want to delete it, go on delete private space, then go on confirm with delete. Enter your password. And in case you want to remove it from the main space, the private space, then go on settings, go on security and privacy, and then on private space. So I've deleted now, but normally if it's still available, then you have here 3 points, and you just tap on the 3 points, and then there is an opportunity to delete the private space, and it will ask if you're really sure. If you want to delete it, you go on delete, and it's done. Same way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you something new with that. And yeah, if you want, maybe you can leave me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos, or leave me a thumbs up. It's a big pleasure for me. Thank you so much. And yeah, maybe you can have also a look for one of my other videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. And maybe until next time. Ciao.